trendy social media enye asem keto akwa eye kontini hene bi abekasa amachese ne kasa no aye Ghana fo binum de especially TikTok for na ene de ide enye asem keto akwa omato tuja e de amane ne right left center just enye asem keto na wotumi hu se na papa ne kasa ye nimu yinane eye yawdie ene wode ka sansem we ya chese ni na ene say wakot attack Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia just because omobeto primaries ne akeka nsem egune ni mu ase poto na Ghana for youth ni bi abamonte so abe reply ne chese se wa mu ne ho se oyo kontine hene na wan di ne lem se pani na so waye na adwen se wode na afefa ne bewura politics dia eni omuma ne akwaba e de ba politics esan se politics die yensuro bia ewo eye dirty work so ya akura wo say ye pani o ye be fire ebusia ensem no aye so critical means se umbre se wada agency kame ho na yenkotie ensem a just Ghana youth for ni bi edituja ye wi ade aka echi na ya to aso ede amo
Dr. Bawumia, he came, he made all the noises possible. He claimed he was the economic messiah. He gave lectures after lectures, told us how he had worked at Bank of Ghana and other international organizations. And then when he got given the chance, what happened? Inflation, unemployment, debt stock, balance of payments, import bill, foreign reserve, they were all facing the wrong side. Look, I have arrested the CD. It's been locked up and the key is with the IGP. Only for the CD to break jail, grow wings, and fly out from 4 cedis to $1 to about 17 cedis when he left office. You see, you know, we all like the game of football. And a few times we get familiar with the so-called player who will be on the touchline. He will make all the noise, point out all the mistakes. Oh, you should have passed. Oh, you should have headed rather than chest. Oh, you should shoot. And then the coach decides that, okay, looks like you are good. Come on. And then he comes on. And then the opponent starts giving him sulia. And even when there is a stable ball and an empty net, and he has to just shoot it in, and he just kicks the air and leaves the ball there. That's Ampahon. And then the people, the players and the coach, they get fed up. And then they send him back to the touchlines. You see, when that person starts making noise again, don't you think people will think there's something wrong with him? Maybe he's just an empty barrel, just fond of making noise, just noise. What is there for Dr. Bawumia to prove now? Does he still think the fundamentals are weak? You see, people must genuinely want to be president, not just because of the power, the privilege, or the opportunity to steal, but a genuine feeling, demonstrable feeling that they can do better than the incumbent president, the incumbent government administration. That is what should prompt people. I'm very sure that Dr. Bawumia himself would have gone and sat somewhere quietly if it wasn't for the wife who wants to be a first lady rather so very badly. I think the wife's ambition overshadows his own. As a matter of fact, if Dr. Bawumia becomes president, he will be the third person in control. I think so. I think the first person in charge of the actual country will be President Akufo-Addo and his Gabi Otridaku and co. They will actually be in charge. And then the second person will be, of course, his wife, who will be our first slave queen lady. And before it comes to Dr. Bawumia himself. Look, when you have done enough, you see, you should know when your time is up, especially as he's been given the chance. Then let's go to Honorable Kennedy.
Na mesi kuro ben na omanya ni patini ni bia aboda ni we na omakofa na besi wo so yo hene a ye de mic akosi na nim so onkase na tete bere mu ana ntokwa wo ho a ya asanto a ba kokodurufo eje so ma ahema wo twe atuo kwa akon ye kon ntokwa brane wonu kro se eche ye se wi wase we sa bemben wagimi nti ya tam dade eche de ahye unyansa bi anim na anu awadwene na ade ugimi na kwasea abesi ho ahye mma pieto wo hini gimifuo dwan abesi wo biebie wano te se de AI ene ye de kasa se ye ni papa na e kasa dia wo hini wagimi papa na mpese mi hu kuro anti kuro no omukọ atifi kwa na afọ ye hunu nipa biara se tintinto kwasea mpanyini we kwadwo besi a ma pieto ne hye no na nima chinchim abu wato so se ebratam bema hu fini ne hu kankani na nim tietia se ka hira ya bo kwaso anema kwasia mpanyini we ebe gina ho so oyo hene na nipa ne kasa wo hwe na nu anti mu hu sa asem efiri na no ba no won sese wo wura ahemfie mpo eye kuro be na enim amamre sa wo masai amamre ama na amane ne amamre nya akono Ghana ne akofa kwasia we ya besiso so oni ohene kuro be so no sa jimifo we ya amofra omo ohene no ya amofo mene nam TV so mankura na adwene nya omo nwansane ne ehu ahemfo ayemu we
sam na yenka na nka wo sai ne wan say beti abe ka kire say NPP impanyefo ma yi omuti a omo kwakopre eye franka tumi no no mabeye eye franka tufo edi ama eye NPP osunu kokuko ama nyokuo no sebi mpedu asa ni penu mo yi omuti ni nyina no sankwas kwasi ampanyi te za wo de onye sankwas sa woni mnyansa nka obo so wa den wagimi ohine konten hine unim nyansa nka obehu se wagimi papa yani no ya watechemu ntini yensurofi ya gura techem nti yensurofi yedi kan de ya hwa ya kache nim dada enu nti no se wanhunu nyansa na de ho ba ya be responde wo sene wo sika wasem no pepe 2025 and beyond kwase bia no wo de wo kwase aba wo beje wo kwase ya wo de wo jimi ba wo beje wo jimi enu nti ohine besra unu nyansa minimum dada oyendisi ni yes obi animu obi a oni owo esumbia knows you say you are a member of the National Democratic Congress but in ohine a oye ohine de you know how to speak. You don't come out and call some people who say they are sankwas and you expect people to respect you and expect people to address you in a sensible manner. It is not done anyway. You are respond the way you want to be responded. You are respond the way you want to be responded. It means people would respond you based on what you say, based on the how you present yourself, or you present yourself. They will respond to you based on how you present yourself. So if you good way, the people will also respond to you in a good way. But if you choose to be stupid, and your match will say Jimmy asking I don't blame you. I blame the people of Esum for making you a contingent of a whole big town like Esum. It is the biggest mistake for the people of Esum to choose you as a contingent. I call on the people of Esum with the immediate effect to dethrone you as the contingent of Esum. You don't deserve that position. That position is given to people who are wise, who are sensible, not stupid people like you. The people of Esum, the time has come for you people to dethrone this stupid man calling himself the king or the continent of Esum. Let him know that he is no one in front of the people of Esum. Let him know that he is a stupid person. He is mad and behave as a mad person. The people of Esum deserves better. The people of Esum deserve better. We cannot let someone who is stupid and senseless as this man represent the people of Esum as our continent. This is unacceptable, and we, the people of Esum, would not accept this man as our Diko from today. We see him to be an outsider, and he's not qualified to be called the king or the continent of Esum. This is what we, the people of Esum, says today, because we don't tolerate stupidity and foolishness in the town of Esum. Peace be unto you, the people of Esum. Bosu Zankunyan na free Esum hono mesan say. Onso e sankwas na sankwas se sell de wuntimi enye continue wo Esum. Wo ye jimi fo nim nyansa wo ya aboa mu aboa ya kwase a. Wo ye sankwas mu sankwas. Wo ye bola so ade wo bon kan. Na make a job. And unti get ready. Say, as a sankwas like you cannot lead the people of Esum. We, the people of Esum, you need to the extent say in nyansa say makwase ate say wo aye continue e wo Esum. And unti ende me frɛ me nuanom ne manam fo wo Esum say yen kan bom na yen di troni eye kwase yi as the continue of Esum. Yemane hunu say wajimi a enye Esum edin eno de begimi agu Esum eman enimu ase. Esum eye enyansafo ekrom jimefo te sawo entimi ndi enyansafo so emane nye ye da. Me ka kire wo ya boamu aboa wo che sabodamfo a okwa akon wo che sabodamfo okwa akon gan pe be bi na tena na onim nyansa na ka bo hu se wajimi wo de ho na aba na wo de ho aba ne de e be ye ho adwuma se ne bra no esitie